Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the TV Antenna Digital TV Antenna Indoor with strong magnetic base. We'll explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the claims of providing a superior TV viewing experience. Let's start with the basics. This TV antenna is designed for indoor use and comes with a strong magnetic base. It promises a range of 560 plus miles for signal reception, supporting both 4K and 1080p resolutions. But does it really deliver on its claims of providing free HD TV channels? Let's find out. One of the key features of this antenna is its omnidirectional reception capability. This means that no matter where you place it in your home, you should be able to receive crystal clear HD picture. The magnetic base makes installation a breeze, allowing you to attach it to most metal surfaces for quick and easy setup. Despite its powerful features, this TV antenna boasts a compact and small design. It won't take up much space in your living room, and its glossy surface adds a touch of elegance. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your home decor and can be easily hidden if needed. This antenna promises to provide excellent picture quality, as long as your TV supports it. It's also versatile, so if you upgrade your TV in the future, you can easily disconnect it from your old TV and use it on the new one. But how does it fare in terms of actual picture quality? We'll delve into that shortly. We'll also provide some tips on getting the best signal reception, including the importance of antenna placement. The higher you position it, the better the reception tends to be. We'll also discuss potential signal interference and how to overcome it. For the tech enthusiasts out there, we'll share some technical data, including frequency range, gain, and power supply details. Understanding these specifications can help you make an informed decision. Of course, we'll take a look at customer reviews and ratings to see what real users have to say about their experiences with this TV antenna. We'll highlight both the positives and any potential drawbacks mentioned by customers. In the end, we'll sum up our findings and offer our verdict on whether this TV antenna is worth your investment. We'll also let you know where you can find it and the current price. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product evaluations. If you've used this TV antenna or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, stay tuned for more informative reviews on Product Critique.